Health and social care I want is one that really celebrates diversity and difference and allows for real person-centred care.
Is to see that people aren't struggling, people aren't having to fight for what they need.
Is to see communities working together to improve their own health, so accountability for health, but also improvement in quality of life.
I think I'd like to see a more integrated sort of model of social care, everything integrated into one service, so health, social care, all moving smoothly.
The health and social care that I want is something that would be accessible to all people of all walks of life.
Accessible to all, with easy read information and accessible transport.
Accessible, equality of access and recognising cultural differences across Wales.